This video covers programming the FlowSmart module using the ESP-LXD controller, including FlowWatch and CEIF/SELF. Continue by turning the dial to FlowSmart modules, Module Programming. Select FlowSmart module, which is the only choice at this point. Press Next, and select FlowWatch from the list. Choose the option that says CEIF/SELF settings. CEIF stands for Seek and Eliminate Excessive Flow. This sets the high flow reaction points for the system. The default is 130% over the normal system flow rates and a settling time of 3 minutes, which means the high flow rate would need to continue for 3 full minutes before any action is taken. Press Next and choose a reaction to perform when high flow is detected. Select the default option of Diagnose and Eliminate. The system will pause the station valves and turn the master valve on and off to determine whether the problem is on the main line or downstream on one of the valves that was operating when the flow problem was detected. We recommend leaving it at this setting. Press Next and enter into the Self or Seek and Eliminate low flow reaction points. The default is 70% of normal flow for 3 minutes. Let's leave these settings as is. Press Next. Once again, you can choose a reaction for the system to take. Select Diagnose and Eliminate. Optionally, we can set a delay to re-enable CEIF and SELF setting. This setting would reset any flow alarms, quarantine stations, or mainline connections after a certain period of time after the condition was detected. If you leave this set to 0 hours, this function will not be used. The last step is to enable flow sensing, if it isn't already enabled. After enabling FlowWatch, press the back button twice. You'll also want to configure the set flow rates. We can either manually enter flow rates into the user interface here, or start the Learn Flow utility and have the system learn the flow rates of the individual stations. In this example, I've already done that, so I'm going to turn the dial to manual operation and start a program. Observe the real-time flow rate at the top of the display as the stations run. Since FlowWatch is enabled, the controller compares the real-time flow rate it sees from the flow sensor to what it learned was the normal flow rate. The ESP-LXD will evaluate whether the flow is a normal, high, or low flow condition. To view a more accurate reading, turn the dial to Module Status. Select the FlowSmart module, then view Current Flow. This indicates that the flow is currently going through flow zone 1. It displays the current flow, the expected flow, as well as the deviation. Be sure to visit rainbird.com/ESP-LX series for product manuals and FAQs. You can also call us for free professional support for programming and troubleshooting.